we are going to discuss the transition menu and the design menu. Okay. First of all, PowerPoint contains draw menu. Draw menu is very helpful for drawing. For example, I'm teaching you the topic essentials of effective e-commerce website design. Now I want to highlight something. To highlight something, I will choose the highlighter. You can see I'm highlighting a text, essential elements. I want to select something in this way. It contains pens, markers, highlighter, eraser and selection tools, by which we can highlight the text and explain our topic briefly. Okay, this is for this purpose, the design menu, and these tools are called Microsoft Ink outlines. Okay, you can use any of them. Like you can see here the shiner pen. Okay, for any purpose you want to show. This is the simplest menu added in Microsoft PowerPoint 2021. It was not found in Microsoft PowerPoint 2019 and earlier versions. Okay. The next one is design menu. As you know it very well, design menu is used to select the design for slides. Okay. For example, I have applied a design over all of the slides and the design is same till the end. If you want to change the design of the slides, just go to design and choose any of these designs you like. If you want to apply the same design to all over your slides, just select the design you want to apply on your slides and click on the design. All of your slides will be converted to the same design. You can see that every slide have adopted the design that I have selected. If you don't want it this way, you want to apply separate design for each slide, then go to slide, select a slide, select a design, just right click at the design and click apply to selected slide. Apply to, no, don't click apply to all slides. Okay. When you will click the option apply to selected slide, you will see that first slide contains one design and second slide contains another design. If you want to apply different design on the third slide, just go and select the design, right click and apply to the selected slide. You will see that every slide now contains different design. Now if you want some changes in your design, for example at slide number 3 I don't like the green color, go to the variants. Here you can see that it contains 4 variants: green, blue, shocking pink and green again. What variant do you like? Choose the variant of your choice. Okay, the design will be converted to that variant. If you want to change it some other way, it may also be possible. Here is the option of colors. You can choose the color of your choice. As I am selecting this color scheme, it looks better. If you want to change the font styles, writing styles, text styles, you can choose any of the font families you like. For example, I am going to apply Calibri fonts, TW, Saint Empty, Columbia, Garment, Georgia, Schoolbook. This looks better. This is a beautiful tail font and the text looks very nice in this. Nice and sleek. I like it, so I choose the font style of my own choice. If you want to choose any of the effects, for example glowing edges, you can choose the effect also. You can change the background style of your slide. From here, background styles, choose any of the given styles you like on your slide. For example, I want a dark background. Over here I will choose the dark color for my. Now it looks nice. White color is now picking up some intensity over the black. It looks good. Next option is the size of the slide. Standard size, ensure fit. It will change the size of your slide and reduce the size of slide. If you choose the wide screen, this is the latest style. It looks much better than the standard. Okay, you can change the style of your slide in this way also. The next option is background changes. Background, as we have already discussed, we can change the background. You can change the background this way also, solid color, and pick a color from here. For example, I want to apply blue color here, gradient, and you can choose the style of the gradient you want to apply on your slide. Picture or texture, you can choose any of the textures for your slide. Pattern fill, these are the patterns. You can apply any of the patterns on your slide background. Hide background graphics, it will delete the backgrounds from graphics from your background. Okay. Another option is picture fill. Picture fill can also add a picture. Insert and go to from file and browse some background picture over here. Okay. For example, I want to choose a picture from that folder. It contains beautiful background images. Now I need this picture to be in my background. It looks good with my slide. This is how you can change the design of your slide. So, draw menu is to draw something on your slide manually. Okay, and design menu is used to change the design and look of your slide. Okay, the next is the transition. Transition. What is the transition menu? Transition menu is you are going to apply the transition over your slides to check or to set how your slide should display in the slideshow. Okay, for that purpose I'm going to choose a transition style. Here are the transition styles given. I'm going to choose the style curtains. In the curtain style, you can see it will open like a curtain. Now I want a sound over here. Also I want to choose the sound of applause or clapping. Okay, on mouse click I reduce I will deselect this option. I will choose after 1 second and apply to all. Now I will click the option slideshow. You'll see that your slide will be shown. There is some problem with my slideshow. Let's check it first. What is happening over here? It did not apply the way I wanted it. Okay, so I will choose the option presented by speaker full screen and then click OK. Then I will click the option slideshow again. See? There is a big change in my slideshow. Now if you press the escape button, slideshow will be closed. If you want any other slide transition over here, just go and select the transition of your choice. For example, I want to choose the style Ripper. I want the sound of chime and apply to all. Now I will go to the slideshow again. In this way, you can see that every slide is creating animation before the display. Okay. Here I selected the time of 1 second. You can change the time because when you are going to read something over your slide, you need a time. Okay. So you can choose 30 seconds, 45 seconds, time of your choice. Okay. From the option after. These are draw, design and transition menus.